Yeah, so it's basically that. Hello guys, so this is the boiled cabbage. So we have to boil until the leaf. Hello everyone. Here we go again. Today it is about cabbage. What?
Cabbage rolls.
Cabbage roll. Yes, we're having a cabbage roll today. So, so this is how you do them, how you make them, how you roll them. So you need a cabbage. Take the cabbage, the leaf, right? And you put these. What do you have in here?
This is beef.
Okay, beef. What do you have on that beef? Do you have some onions?
Onions, carrots,
Good.
some seasoning.
Okay, and then you place them on the leaf.
Yeah.
Okay. And basically it's like a spring roll type. And then look, and you have to put them on this. What sauce? This is like a spaghetti sauce.
Marinara sauce, and I mix with what's this? Spaghetti, Filipino style spaghetti sauce.
Okay. What is that? Is this?
This one.
So this is what you need. So you need this, and then also you need this. So this is two of the items you need to make the cabbage roll. I mean beef with ground beef with the onions and all the seasonings in this. And this when you roll them, you stick these toothpick and you place them on this tray. I think you have to bake them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to put more. And this one. Okay, so guys, so again, this is how you make the cabbage roll. So you need these two ingredients here. So this is the sweet basil marinara sauce and this Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And the beef, ground beef, with all the onions and ingredients that you need to add to that, and this is how it looks like. And you bake them in the oven for how many minutes? 20 minutes? 30 minutes? That's what you need. So you need this, and then also you need this. So this is two of the items you need to make the cabbage roll. I mean beef with ground beef with the onions and all the seasonings in this. And this is how you roll them. And stick these toothpick and you place them on this tray. I think you have to bake them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to put more. And this one. Okay, so guys, so again, this is how you make the cabbage roll. So you need these two ingredients here. So this is the sweet basil marinara sauce and this Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And the beef, ground beef, with all the onions and ingredients that you need to add to that, and this is how it looks like. And you bake them in the oven for how many minutes? 20 minutes? 30 minutes? Okay guys, so this is how you clean the cabbage. Okay, you wash them and you separate the leaf and you use them when you make that roll. You need scissors?
Hold on. You have to take up the part of the cabbage, and then you boil some water, and then put some vinegar and a teaspoon of salt, maybe 3/4 3/4 cup of vinegar, and then you put this in the boiling water until it's like cooked, and it will turn into like a yellow, and then when it's cooked, you can take it because it's hot, so you have to drain it with water.
So actually you boil this whole
The whole
cabbage. Oh, I see. So you cook the whole cabbage first. I see. And because it's still hot, you put hot water on it to separate the leaf. Okay, guys. So that's how you start to make cabbage roll. Is actually you get the whole piece of cabbage roll, you boil them, and you put anything on the water like salt.
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar on the water, and you put this cabbage roll.
Cabbage, the whole cabbage.
Yeah, and then you put them on. So you put on this pot. So this is where you put that cabbage patch. So there we go, guys, and that and the ingredients, and you're still separating the leaf. Okay, guys, so soon this will be ready to eat. Hello guys, so this is the boiled cabbage. So we have to boil until the leaf becomes soft, and you separate them and use them to wrap the beef. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now, and it's ready to be put in the oven. Okay guys, so here it is. So we made 2 of this cabbage roll, 2 tray that need to be baked, and we need to put them in the oven. So once it's done, we have to put a aluminum foil on top of it, because that is going to be going on the oven. So we have to set it up at 350. And how long we have to be baked for?
1 hour and 15 minutes.
About an hour and 15 minutes long to bake this 2 party tray. Party tray. This is a party tray of cabbage. Cabbage patch. It's a cabbage roll. Yes, so it is cabbage roll. Look at that. Yeah, so it's basically that is the spaghetti type sauce that's added on top of that cabbage roll. Okay, let's see how this is gonna look when it's done. So this is how you make a cabbage roll. And see the other one here. Yeah. So you just kind of stack it up like that, and we'll be ready to bake in the oven. All right, so can we put them in? Yeah. Okay guys, so this is one of the tray, and then the other one. Alright, let me do this. Okay, so just gonna put it side by side, and we'll have to wait for about an hour and 15 minutes. Close this oven, and good luck. I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay guys, so this finally been cooked for about an hour and 15 minutes. So let's see what it looks like now. All right, so hopefully all cooked really good. Okay, there it is. There it is, guys. Look at that. Look at that cabbage roll. Look at that. So look so good. Let's see how it tastes. So I guess we're gonna try this. All right, let's just take one. Okay, guys. So this is a cabbage roll, and this was baked for about an hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Looks so nice. I think we had put some sauce on top of it, I guess. Yeah.
This offer.
Okay, so that's toothpick that was used to hold the leaf. Wow. Okay.
Okay, try that.
Okay. So we'll go next. Okay, guys. So we will add sour cream
So this is the one.
on the cabbage roll, and we'll eat it with sour cream. So you just dip into it, or don't you?
I like that.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, let's see.
Should have a nice.
Look, delicious. Guys. Okay, so let me take the first bite. Okay, let me see the meat. Oh yeah. Look at that. Well done. Ooh.
And then
Okay.
I like that.
It looks like a baked potato. With sour cream on it.
Oh, big piece.
All right. Let's see.
Try.
Okay, so let's see. Hey guys, so I'm gonna have a small piece first. Okay, so. Mm. 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 Very good. All right, look at this, guys. So, oh, smells nice and tastes really good. And, wow. Mm. 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 Ooh. Hot. Mm.
Put some sour cream.
Okay. Like that. Mm. Mm. Boy, I can have like 2, 3, or 4 of these. Last piece. God. The best cabbage patch. Cabbage patch. Okay, guys. That was good. I wish I can share this to you guys. But again, this is my other videos of cooking. Guys, hope you guys will watch my next video. Probably not be food again, because then we have the 2 videos that I did all about cooking. So next video is something else. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Bye.
Bye.